Okay, real quick. I rewatched my video and I feel like I didn't explain how part it did. Hang na hang to guy tai li ga, okay? Hang to guy tai to ka hai tia. Hang to guy tai to ka hai tia. You hang, for example, if someone were to give you a task, okay? You are able to do it. Complete it, bring it, like, or complete the task from point A to point B to point C. Okay? When I said, people always balk with their, oh, you know, I'm able to do the job for you. Okay? So when people say, oh, right? So that's it's a good thing. Okay? No reasons, you know, you chú chỉ tao you do king, you chỉ sợ hai lu, you chỉ sợ我一牙chỉ，但是 you 只行就做给配，做给请假，做给其中。So there's two different ways of looking at 做读读能行，了又读能么病， you know 读能行 yeah. So yes, just want to clarify that piece with you. I think that's it, right? Now that I rewatched the video, I just want to, again, make sure that we understand. Alrighty, that's it. Bye.